As electric vehicles are being seen more frequently in traffic, the need for intermediate staff has increased as the sector grows. Ankara Development Agency and Ostim Technical University realized an important project in this direction. Both theoretical and practical trainings are given to those who want to specialize in the field of electric vehicles.
Electric vehicles are preferred by more and more users day by day. With the impact of the domestic and national project TOG, new job opportunities in the automobile sector have opened up. As the sector grows, the need for intermediate staff increases. A new project is being implemented in Ankara to address this need. The initiative is led by Ostim Technical University and Ankara Development Agency.
The university and the industry cooperate in line with the needs of the sector. Programs are determined accordingly. Simulation-based technological trainings. Knowledge is being put into practice.
VR training is very useful for us. It is one-to-one with real life.
The physical and technical infrastructure of the campus, where intermediate staff for electric vehicles are trained, has been harmonized with current technology.
We want to bring a great talent to our country by including both our own students, technician candidates, and master technicians, and technicians operating in this field, in the training field. And in this context, we set out on this journey to train approximately 500 people.
Normally, I was a graphic design graduate. I was interested in vehicles. I chose this profession because I thought it had an open future. Thanks to the simulator, my learning process accelerated a lot.
Industrialists from these trainings that provide trained personnel to the sector.
Satisfied? Yes. Since these techniques bring our candidates together with businesses even before they graduate, businesses can offer our students a job. It would not be a lie to say that industrialists are snatching our students out of the air.